both A's.
Casey, who's upstairs?
Nobody.
Hey, Tristan.
Nobody.
Maddie.
My
His.
birthday's May
Yeah,
4th.
Maddie.
I was gonna say it.
How to count kids?
Maddie.
Wow.
They're blowing candles. Come on. They're blowing up Tristan's candles. Come on.
Go get party hats. Yeah, party hats.
Goodness, son, that's a lot of candles.
I know, for a kid boy, right?
That's just extra slobber on the cupcakes. You missed one.
You missed
Calm down. Now we're getting ready to sing. If it's gonna bother you, go to the living room, okay? You alright?
Okay. She likes
We ready? Okay, enough of that. Alright, everybody sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tristan. Happy birthday to you.
Blow,
Make a wish and blow them out. Not you.
Oh, Tristan, blow.
Blow, you got